In this video, we will learn how to delete data in Excel sheet. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. I have here some different range of data. So I want to delete this all number from every data. So I select here and press the delete button. Again, I select here and press the delete button. But it's take the time consuming. I want to delete the one time all range of selected data. So I select the full data here, all tables here. So I want to delete from this table only numbers. So I press here the Control G, then click on the special, click on the constants and remove the text. Okay. So I don't want to delete the text. So I just remove the text and click on OK. That's it. Here you can see only number is selected on full data. So the press the delete button. That's it. Here you go. All data is deleted on one click only. So hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.